Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Today we are going to learn English subject. What subject we are going to learn? We are going to learn English. Okay. Last week we learned one new lesson. Do you all remember the name of the lesson? Yes, very good. The last sheep. What lesson we learned? The last sheep. Lesson 2, the last sheep. Yes. What story is it, children? You all remember? Yes. Shall we recall the story one time? Yes. Who are the characters in this lesson? Very good. Boy, rabbit, squirrel, fox, sheep, and a honeybee. Totally 6 characters. Okay, children? Now, look at here. What happened in the story? Who is he? A little boy. Who is he? A little boy. This little boy is having one sheep, and the sheep ran away inside the forest, and the sheep saw some fresh grasses. So the sheep wanted to eat the fresh grass. The little boy wanted to go home, and he called the sheep to come along with him. But the sheep would not go home. So the boy began to cry. The boy began to cry. At that time, one animal is coming there. What animal is it, children? A rabbit. And the rabbit is asking, why are you crying? Little boy. The boy is telling, I am having one sheep, but the sheep has run away into the forest and the sheep did not come back. And the rabbit is telling, don't cry. I will help you to make the sheep to go home. And then the sheep tried to make the sheep to go home, but the sheep would not go home. Now, another animal is coming there. What animal is that? Squirrel. A squirrel came by. And then the squirrel is asking the rabbit, why are you crying, rabbit? The rabbit is replying, I am crying because the little boy is crying. His sheep has run away into the forest. And the squirrel is consoling the rabbit, please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home. The squirrel also tried to make the sheep to go home, but the sheep would not go home. Then the squirrel also began to cry. Now the squirrel is also crying. Look at here, rabbit is crying and the squirrel is also crying. At that time, fox is coming by that side. And the fox is asking both the animals, why are you all crying? Why are you all crying? 2 animals are there, no? Yes. So the fox asks, why are you all crying? And the 2 animals, rabbit and squirrel, is replying, we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away into the forest. And the fox is telling, please don't cry. I'll help you to make the sheep go home. And the fox is telling like that. But the fox also ran after the sheep. But the sheep would not go home. Then the fox also began to cry. Fox also began to cry. At that time, a bee flew by. What is coming there? Bee. Bee is an animal or an insect? It's an insect. Very good. And bee is asking, why are you all crying? What the animals are telling? We are crying because the little boy sheep has run away. The little boy sheep has run away. And the bee is telling, please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home. Bee is consoling these 3 animals and bee is going to help to these 3 animals. And then we cannot make the sheep go home. Can a little bee make the sheep go home? And the fox is telling, we are the big animals when compared to you. We can't make the sheep go home. Then you can make the sheep go home. And the fox and the rabbit laughed at the bee. But the little bee flew near the ears of the sheep. And the sheep get frightened. What happened? The sheep get frightened. And the honeybee gives one sound, no? What sound is it? Buzzing sound. What sound is it? Buzzing sound. The honeybee come and give a buzzing sound near the ears of the sheep, and then the sheep get frightened. And if the bee sting me, what happened? The sheep will get pain, no? So the sheep get frightened and it run away to home. Now the boy is feeling so happy. Then the little boy also laughed in happiness. He said, "Thank you to the little bee." The boy said, "Thank you to the little bee to helping him." What we have to do? If someone help us, what we have to say? We have to say thank you to them. Very good children. Now you all understand the story clearly, no children? Now we are going to do the book exercises. Shall we start doing this? Look at here, comprehension. What is that? Comprehension. Part A. Who said these words? Who said these words? Tick the correct words. Number 1. I am crying because my sheep has run away. Who tell these words first? I am crying because my sheep has run away. Number 1. The fox. And the option B. The boy. Who said first? My sheep has run away. Whose sheep? The boy sheep. Very good. So that's the correct answer. We have to give a tick. Okay. Now look at the second one. The bee will sting me. I must run. Who said these words? Option A, the sheep. Option B, the boy. Who get frightened? Very good. The sheep get frightened. No. Yes, you are right. Now we completed. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here. Now we are going to do play with words. Part C. Label the animals in the picture. Here we have some options. What are the options? Peacock, cat, monkey, rabbit, elephant, cow. And what is that? Peacock. Very good. So they write the spelling for peacock here. And the next spelling is C-A-T, cat. Where's the cat? Yes, very good. Cat is here. So we got to write the spelling for cat here. What's the spelling for cat? C-A-T, cat. You have to spell the word letter by letter and you have to write. Okay, children? And look at the next one. What is that? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Very good. Where's the monkey picture? Monkey is here. Now we are going to write the spelling for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Okay. Now look at the next one. What is this? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Very good. Where's the rabbit? Rabbit is here. Now we are going to write the spelling for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay, children? Now look at the next one. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Very good. Shall we write the spelling for elephant? Yes, look at the box and write correctly. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Okay, children? Now look at the last one. C-O-W. Cow. Very good. C-O-W. Cow. Where's the cow? Cow is here. Shall we start writing the spellings? C-O-W. Cow. Yes. Now we complete this exercise. Shall we pass on to the next one, children? Now you understand this, no? Yes. Now look at here. Part D. How do these animals move? Circle the correct words. How do you move from one place to another? By using which part in your body? Legs. Very good children. Now we are going to circle for the animals. We move with our legs. For the animals, how they move. Now we are going to do this. Look at the first one. A bee flies or hops. What the bee is doing? A bee is flying or hopping? Yes, a bee flies. So they circle here. Look at the second one. A snake hops. H-O-P-S hops or C-R-A-W-L-S crawls. How the snake moves from one place to other? Yes, the snake crawls. A snake crawls. Okay. Now look at the third one. A fish crawls or swims. How the fish moves? A fish moves. Yes, very good. A fish swims. S-W-I-M-S, swims. And look at the fourth one. A rabbit hops or swims. A rabbit is swimming. How can we do swimming? We can do swimming in the water only, no? A rabbit lives in the water? No. So what's the answer? A rabbit hops. Hopping means jumping, okay? And then number 5, just like jumping only, a rabbit moves, no? Yes. And then number 5, a duck. Yes, very good. Swims or crawls. Swims or crawls. Where's the duck? Yes, it's on the pond, no? It's in the pond only, no? Yes, a duck swims. Very good. Look at the 6th one. A horse. A horse flies or trots. Look at the 6th one. A horse flies or trots. A horse flies. It's a bird. It's an insect. No. So what the horse? How the horse moves? A horse trots. Very good. T-R-O-T-S, trots. Now you understand this, no children? How do these animals move? Now look at the next one. Spelling. What we are going to learn? Spelling topic. Part E. Join the letters to make words starting with B and C. Here they have given B as the main letter and they give O-Y. They join the first letter, we have to use this B, and the next one we have to write these 2 letters. Then they make a new word, B-O-Y, boy. Shall we write the next one? Next one, what is it? B is here and the next one is A-T. We have to join this and write B-A-T. B-A-T, bat. Very good. B-A-T, bat. Look at the next one. B is here. Next one is E-D. B-E-D, bed. Very good. B-E-D, bed. B-O-Y, boy. B-A-T, bat. And B-E-D, bed. And look at the second one. Here we are going to use the letter C as the first letter in a word. Okay. Look at here. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. The first letter C, then A-T. C-A-T. What's that? Cat. Very good. And look at the next one. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-T. Cat. And C-A-R. Car. Now you understand this now, children? Yes. Look at the next one. Now we are going to learn punctuation. What is it? Punctuation. Part F. Rewrite these names. Begin with the capital letter. In the last lesson we learned, do you all remember, no? A new baby lesson? Yes, very good. How we can rewrite the sentence. We rewrite the sentence now. What we have to do? We have to change the first letter into capital. At last what we have to keep? We have to keep a full stop. Very good. Here we are going to do rewrite these names. For names, we should use the first letter capital only. So here what we have to do? We have to change the first letter into capital and write. It's the easy one. Shall we do it? Look at here. T-I-N-A, Tina. Here they change the first letter small t into capital T here. Just like that we are going to use. S-I-Y-A-C-R. We have to change the first letter into capital. S-I-Y-A-C-R. Okay. Now look at the next one. R-I-T-A, Rita. Now we got to change the first letter into capital. R-I-T-A, Rita. Okay, children? Easy one now. Here A-L-I, Ali. And first letter we got to change into capital. A-L-I, Ali. Okay? Now look at here. The R is the first letter. Small r is here. We have to change it to capital. R-A. M-A-N, Raman. Okay. And look at the sixth one, R. That also we got to change into capital R. R-O-S-A, Rosa. Now you understand this? Yes, we change the first letter into capital and right. Okay, children? Now you understand this? For all the names, for your name, your mommy, daddy name, for all the person names, we have to start writing with capital letter. And look at the next one. Now we are going to do grammar fun. We are going to do grammar fun. Boy, sheep, home and grass are words that tell us the names of the person, an animal, a place or a thing. Now look at here, a boy. Who is he? A person. Very good. And then sheep. Sheep is an animal. It's an animal. And home. Home is a place. Very good. And grass is a thing. These words tell us that the names of the person, animal, a place or a thing. Such words are naming words. Naming words are called nouns. Very good. Naming words are called nouns. Railway station, it's a place. Very good. And then father, a person. Very good. And then table, it's a thing. And then snake, it's an animal. Okay, children, now you understand? Naming words are called nouns. Look at here. Part G, circle the names of animals. Here we have some names of animals. We are going to find out the names of the animals and we are going to circle it. Look at the first one. P-A-R-K, park. Park is an animal? No, it's a place. Okay. Now, so what we have to do? We have to circle this. No need to circle it. Look at the next one. C-O-W, cow. Cow is an animal. So, we have to circle it. And look at the next one. S-I-T, sit. Sit is an animal. No, it's an action. So, we shouldn't touch this. And look at this. F-O-X, fox. Fox is an animal. So, we have to circle this. And then S-A-Y, say. Telling. It's an action only. No need to touch this. And C-A-T, cat. Cat is an animal. And then C-R-Y, cry. C-R-Y, cry is also an action word. And then so no need to touch this. And look at the last one. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Very good. So we have to circle this. Now you understand this, children? Yes, very good. Naming words are called nouns. Naming words are called nouns. Look at the next one. Part H. Choose words from the box to name the pictures. Choose words from the box to name the pictures. Look at here. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. G-I-R-L, girl. B-O-Y, boy. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. K-I-T-E, kite. We have to look at the picture and we have to write the spelling. Now look at here. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. What's the bicycle picture? Yes, it is here. So we have to write the spelling here. The first one is B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. We complete the first one. And look at the next one. G-I-R-L, girl. They already did it, no? Yes, girl picture is here. They already did this. And look at the next one. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Boy picture. Where is boy picture here? Yes, it's here. What's the spelling for boy? B-O-Y, boy. Very good. And look at the next one. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. You all love to come to this place, no? Yes, children? School picture is here. So, we are going to write the spelling for school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Okay? Now, look at the next one. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. It's a short form of hippopotamus. We learned about this animal in the previous classes, no? H-I-P-P-O, hippo. Hippo is here. So we are going to write the spelling for hippo. 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 And then look at the next one. The last one. Kite. 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 Last one. Where's the kite picture? Kite picture is here. Kite. Kite. Now you understand this, children? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here. Look at the pictures and read the words. Now look at here. What picture is this? Cat. Very good. How many cat is here? One. Only one cat. O-N-E-1 C-A-T. Cat. One cat. And look at here. How many cat is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many. What we got to say? Many. If it is 1, we can say 1 cat. If it is 2, we can say 2 cat. And it's more than 2, we can say many. What we have to say? Many cats. Now here 1 cat, many cats. What we got to add for plural? It's a singular, only 1 cat, and it's a plural. So what we have to add near the spelling cat? We got to add S. What we got to add? We got to add the letter S. Okay. Now look at here. Part L. Make many words by adding S. Part I. Make many words by adding S. Look at the number 1. B-O-Y, boy. And in the answer, what letter they add? B-O-Y-S. Boys. Yes, they add no? Yes. And look at the second question. K-E-Y, key spelling is here. What we have to add? S. We have to make it into many means. We have to add S. K-E-Y-S. Keys. K-E-Y-S. Keys. And look at the third one. L-O-C-K. Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. And what we have to add? We have to add S. L-O-C-K-S. Locks. Okay, children? Now look at the fourth one. K-I-T-E. Kite. What we have to add? S. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Okay. Now look at the fifth one. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-A-T-S. Goats. What we got to add? S. And look at the last one. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. What we got to add? P-L-A-T-E-S. Plates. Now you understand this? What we have to add to make it as a many thing? Yes, very good. We have to add S. 1 cat, many cats. 1 boy, many boys. And 1 key, many keys. Now you understand it now, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes, look at here. Writing. Part L. Write 1 sentence about these animals. Here we have 3 animals. Squirrel, rabbit and fox. We have to write 1 sentence about these animals. Shall we start writing? A squirrel. A squirrel likes to eat nuts. Very good. A squirrel likes to eat nuts. A squirrel likes to eat nuts. And look at the next one. What animal is that? A fox. Very good. The fox is a cunning animal. Very good. A fox is a cunning. C-U-N-N-I-N-G. Cunning animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. And look at the last one. What animal is this? Rabbit. Very good. Rabbit. Rabbits likes to eat carrot. What rabbit like to eat? Rabbit likes to eat carrot. Very good. Now you understand this, no children? These are all some sentences about the animals. You have to copy down in your book. Now today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read the lesson 2. What's the name of the lesson 2? The last sheep lesson. You have to read and you have to complete the book exercises. What are the exercises we did now? Those exercises you have to complete it in your book. Okay children, I hope you all understand the lesson clearly and you all understand the book exercise also. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.